Kinder croissant and the little brownie here. I hope you guys have liked this place. It's very beautiful and very quiet. So if you are coming to Dubai, give them a try. Come here, spend few hours, and I'm sure you will love it. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that I get motivated to post more videos and you enjoy with me as well. Ta-ta.